How do you give an ordinary laundry day a revolutionary spin? Start with a top-load design that's unlike anything you've ever seen. LG moved the control panel from the back to the front to create the new front control top-load washers and dryers, so the LED display is easier to see and reach even when the lid is open. And you never need worry about drips or splatters, thanks to LG's water-resistant HydroShield design. Despite their sleek exteriors, LG front control top-load washers have spacious interiors. With capacities of up to 4.5 cubic feet, you can do more laundry in fewer loads and easily fit larger items like comforters. Cleaning is revolutionary too, with LG's innovative WaveForce technology. It uses powerful water jets and rapid drum movement to get your fabrics exceptionally clean. Even drying gets a new spin with huge capacity. Plus, innovations like the LG Steam Fresh cycle that lets you freshen and reduce wrinkles in up to 5 garments in just minutes. With the new front control laundry, LG puts revolutionary top-load design front and center. LG, life's good.